The mission of Summit Healthcare is to bring joy and health to our communities by providing free health screening. Summit Healthcare provides amazing support through educational scholarships for our next generation of healthcare professionals and compassionate care for our cancer patients and their families who are struggling with a new diagnosis. Summit Healthcare has a great impact on our communities and neighborhoods that we serve.
What Summit Healthcare does is the screenings for diabetes and for hypertension.
During these screenings, we help to identify clients that may have hypertension and diabetes that is not being treated or addressed because they do not have that access to healthcare. We follow up from there in trying to connect these clients with the healthcare that they need.
We do their HbA1c, which is a true read for diabetes. We do their blood pressure, BMI, and we're able to give them quite a bit of information.
It helps to educate them on what are the types of things that they need to do, what are the types of things they need to stay away from, and what do they need to do more of. All of that helps.
Our clients who take part in our diabetes screening, 84% of them have an improvement in a key metric, such as body mass index or blood pressure, or most importantly, hemoglobin A1C.
The information is great. I'm going to come every month and learn more and do more.
Thank you very, very, very much for taking care of me. I love all of them.
We do have a brown bag program. My clinical pharmacists attend these community wellness screenings, and we ask clients to bring in their medications and or a list of their medications. And the pharmacist will sit down with them and go over each individual medication, over-the-counter medication, or supplement to really educate them on the importance of taking these meds and also addressing affordability issues because a lot of times they cannot afford the medications that they're prescribed. So my team really helps to connect them with the resources that they need, and the clients walk away feeling like they have a much better understanding of the importance of taking their meds.
Period poverty is the lack of access to hygienic menstrual products and the education to use them properly. The Fresh Start Initiative was designed to empower and create menstrual equity and prevent period poverty. We know that there are detrimental physical effects to the lack of access to hygienic menstrual products, but also the emotional aspect of it, including the loss of dignity or self-confidence. We also know that there can be an economic impact on families when perhaps needing to choose between spending money on food, groceries, other supplies, and period products. We provide larger bags filled with period products, menstrual hygiene products. We also provide smaller on-the-go pouches to high schools, which are kept in school nurse offices, as well as to different homeless shelters. The Fresh Start Initiative and its associated programs are essential and necessary to provide and promote menstrual equity in our neighborhoods and for all underprivileged families, but we can't do it without your help. The next time you're shopping, and if you're able to, it would be wonderful to pick up an extra bag of diapers, a package of baby wipes, or menstrual hygiene products, and bring them into your offices so that they can be provided and distributed to those in need.
My journey was very sudden. I was putting on deodorant one day and I thought, what is this? They did some images, obviously, and then they sent me for the mammogram, and I guess it was a PET scan. Then they said that, yes, it's stage 4 metastatic breast cancer. Well, then I met some of these volunteers who I don't know words to tell you. They're my friends.
I volunteer to give back for the wonderful care that my mother received as a patient, and it's just been a really rewarding experience.
The Cancer Comfort Project is essential to our patients. It is an integrative approach to helping patients. It offers a bunch of healing and support groups that they can come free of charge, also with their caregivers if they want, during treatment or after treatment.
With the Cancer Comfort Program, we offer pet therapy, yoga, resource navigation, the comfort cart, the art cart. We have art workshops, beauty days, writing workshops. There's a plethora of great programs.
The number one barrier that we see is transportation, financial needs. That gives us the opportunity to try to help them with those barriers. So getting them rides to their treatment, getting them a card so they can get their essentials and their necessities at the store. So that's one thing they may not have to worry about, and they can focus on getting better and healing.
The Active Against Cancer Partnership is about promoting exercise and community for patients while they're going through treatment and even after. It has been proven that exercise and mobility, proper breathing is all important parts of getting well and feeling well all during treatment. There's a great piece of that if you're doing things with others, it creates the community and camaraderie that you need to keep going and feeling like you are part of a team that really cares.
Everybody knows that not only the medical care, but the mind-body care here is just second to none. I love the people here, and I am so thankful for all that they give me. They will be my friends forever because of what they've taught me. And it's not just words. They do it with action.
All of the services we provide cannot happen without you. With your support, we can expand our programs to support more and more people in need in the neighborhoods and communities that we live in. I ask you today to donate and donate generously.
Summit Health Cares makes me feel blessed.
Summit Health Cares makes me feel thankful.
Summit Health Cares makes me feel hopeful.
Summit Health Cares gives me confidence.
Summit Health Cares means everything.